one root of the quadratic equation mx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0 is 2/3 of other root. Find sum of roots. Sum of roots. Sum of roots. Okay. One root of this equation is 2/3 of other root. Let alpha and beta be roots. Then, if one root is alpha, then beta is equal to 2/3 alpha. So the roots are alpha and 2/3 alpha are roots. Now, sum of roots alpha plus beta, that is alpha plus 2/3 alpha, so minus b by a, that's minus of minus 10 by m, that is equal to 10 by m, or alpha, or 5/3 alpha is equal to 10 by m, implies alpha is 6 by m. Now product of root. Product of root is equal to alpha into 2/3 alpha, that is equal to 3 by m, c by a, that is 3 by m, that is 2/3 alpha square is equal to 3 by m. Alpha is equal to 6 by m, that is 2/3 into 6 by m, the square is equal to 3 by m. And simplify this 9 m square is equal to 72 m, or 9 m into m minus 8 is equal to 0. M is equal to 0 or m is equal to 8. But m is equal to 0 is not possible. This equation becomes a linear equation. So m is equal to 0 is not possible, since the 0 equation becomes a linear equation. Therefore, m is equal to 8. Is equal to 8. Sum of root is equal to 10 by m minus b by a. Sum of root is equal to 10 by m, that is equal to 10 by 8 is equal to 5 by 4. Number of roots in mod x square minus 3 mod x plus 2 is equal to 0 are. Choice is given. A is equal to 4 root, B is given as 1 root, C is given 3 root, and D is given 2 roots. These are the options. Okay. Put mod x is equal to t. Then this equation become t square minus 3t plus 2 is equal to 0, or t minus 2 into t minus 1 is equal to 0. T is equal to 1 and t is equal to 2. T is the mod x. When t is equal to 1, t equal to 1, t is equal to 1 implies mod x is equal to 1, or x is equal to plus or minus 1. When t is equal to 2 implies mod x is equal to 2, x is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, roots are plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2. So 4 roots. So this is the answer question. Roots of x minus b into x minus c plus x minus a into x minus c plus x minus a into x minus b is equal to 0 are. Option is given positive, second option is negative, third option is real, and fourth option is none of this. These are the options given. We can simplify this expression to 3x square minus 2 times a plus b plus c into x plus ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 0. This expression is simplified. Now, our discriminant, that is equal to b square minus 4ac. I take the capital letters since we used b, c and a in this expression. So, taken d is equal to capital B minus 4ac. Okay. This is equal to, this is the b, this is our capital B, A, and this is our capital C. That is b square, that is 4 into a plus b plus c the whole square minus 4 into 3 into ab plus bc plus ca, right, into 4 times a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Or this can be written times a minus b the whole square plus b minus c the whole square plus c minus a the whole square by 2, or is equal to 2 times a minus b the square plus b minus c the square plus c minus a the square. That is 2 times d is equal to 2 times a minus b the square plus b minus c the square plus c minus a the square. This square and a b and b are real numbers. This is greater than 0. This is greater than 0. This is greater than 0. If a equal to b equal to c, then d is equal to 0. D equal to 0. Therefore, d greater than or equal to 0. So the roots are real. Form a quadratic equation whose one of the zeros is tan pi by 8. Tan pi by 8. Zero means roots. Root. One root is equal to tan pi by 8. Let alpha, beta be roots. Tan pi by 8 is equal to tan 22.5 degree. That is equal to root 2 minus 1. This one. This is an irrational root. So therefore, other root is equal to, if roots are irrational, then they appears in conjugate pairs. If one root is root 2 minus 1, other root is minus root 2 minus 1. That is, if one root 2 is p plus root q, then other root is p minus root q. Okay. Alpha plus beta, that is equal to root 2 minus 1 plus minus root 2 minus 1. That is equal to minus 2. And product of root alpha beta is equal to root 2 minus 1 into minus root 2 minus 1. That is equal to minus of root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1. That is equal to minus 2 minus 1. Therefore, the quadratic equation is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. That is, x square minus alpha plus beta is equal to 2. Minus of minus 2 is plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Form a quadratic equation whose one root is tan pi by 12. So let alpha and beta be roots. An equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x into alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Tan pi by 12 is equal to tan 15 degree. 2 minus root 3. This is, if one root is 2 minus root 3, this is irrational root. Irrational root. Therefore, other root is equal to 2 plus root 3. Now sum of roots alpha plus beta, that is equal to 2 minus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3. That is equal to 4. And product of root alpha beta is equal to 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3. That is equal to 4 minus 3. That is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, the quadratic equation become x square minus alpha plus beta, value is 4. 4x plus 1 is equal to 0.